This is Chef Kyle from Madrid, and we're gonna show you our lamb chop dish. Let's grab the garbanzo beans, some olive oil, some of our spices, pepper to make the pepperonata, cheese for our espuma. Going in with our peppers. Next ingredient we're gonna add in is our Spanish sofrito. So now we're gonna let these peppers and sofrito cook down, get nice and soft for the next 15 minutes. Next, we're adding the GFS Choice chickpeas. And then we'll continue to stew this down for probably an hour or so, let all the flavors meld together. And now we're gonna finish off this pepperonata. So we've got Pedro Ximénez cherry vinegar from Spain. Add a little splash to add some acidity here. And then we'll finish off with our dried oregano and some dried thyme as well. We're gonna grill these on both sides for a couple minutes until beautiful medium. Going to rest with our lamb chops. A nice generous portion of this. Some beautiful height on this dish. And now we're gonna sprinkle on our pepita dukkah, our signature espuma. So this is our finished signature dish here at Madrid, our grilled lamb chops with pepperonata, goat cheese espuma, and the beautiful pepita dukkah.